What's up guys? In today's video, I'll show you how to use the GPS Map Camera app to add location information to your photos. First, open the GPS Map Camera app and allow the necessary permissions, including access to your camera and location. Next, choose the map or location style you want to display on your photos. Make sure your phone's location is turned on so the app can detect your current position. Now point your camera at the subject and take a photo. The app will automatically add information such as your location, date, time, and map details to the photo. And that's it. You can now use GPS Map Camera to capture photos with location information. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Peace.